UX Design Award Product, ICC, Integrated Control Center, by HHLA Sky and USE, Institute for User Systems Engineering. The Integrated Control Center by HHLA Sky and USE is the world's first cyber-secured certified management tool for automated drone operations and autonomous robots. This browser-based software was developed to plan, control, and monitor missions independent of location and covers the complete process chain. The control center is perfectly adapted to the different types of drones and missions, guaranteeing an optimal and smooth process.
ICC's intuitive UX design streamlines the complex drone fleet management with ease. Its clean and clear interface offers a unique experience in the drone management market, ensuring a smooth and optimal experience for the target users. The project's emphasis on the cybersecurity and safety guarantees a secure and reliable experience, well deserving of the recognition and the UX Design Award. Congratulations!
It's a great honor to be awarded
for this interaction design for such a complex project.